Alright, so I couldn't find instructions on this, but it would seem that this is what I thought it was going to be. It is for the nose. It is mildly uncomfortable for people with big noses, gotta tell you. Gotta tell you, it's mildly uncomfortable. Might just be that I did not install it correctly or whatever it is, but it is pretty uncomfortable. I have to see how to set up the batteries for that thing. But then most of the rest should be quite straightforward. And there's stuff going on here. There's not a whole lot of instructions to go with this kit, so you kind of have to guess what to do. But in general, I would say it was pretty good so far. I don't know how this thing will fly. I hope it flies as well as they say it does. And I'll see you soon.
Likey